This is the Z1 by Zeemr, a super affordable and great looking 1080p beamer with equally great looking video quality and amazing features for the price point, including automatic keystone correction and autofocus. Got the new drip from Zeemr. This is the Z1 Smart Projector Cinema Television. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box. We have this side, Zeemr Smart Vision, this side, and also this side. A few details right here. Check it out. So let's open it up. Look at that, it's actually a box in a box. Nice padding. Nice box, by the way. Fabric look. We have this side with the extraordinary badge. Really cool design. This side, and lastly we have this side. Infos on the bottom and the top. Paperwork on top. The beamer will come out like this, and at the bottom of the box we have all the accessories. So let's start with those. So let's see. Quality control. We will get a remote, nice looking remote right here. We will get the cable for the outlet and the connector for the beamer, and of course the power brick this side. And also the specs on the bottom. Good cable length. And lastly, let's check out the manual. This will unfold. Oh, that is huge. Multi-language, of course. So we have this, 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 and this. And also this, 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 and this. So to recap, you will get the power brick, the cables, the remote, and of course the paperwork. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. And here we have the beamer. Okay, so it's wrapped all the way around. So let's get rid of that. Nice, now look at that. This is what it looks like. There is another wrap on the lens. Perfect. That's a cool design. We have this structure on the front. This part is covered in fabric with the brand. And right here we can also see the camera to make the AI features work. Sides with tons of holes for the sound, of course. Top is just blank, and we have this on the bottom. Nice rubber feet. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, this is genius. This is absolutely genius. With this you can angle the beamer. That is so cool. All right, let's take a close look. So again, the front with the lens and the camera. This part is also looking nice, so yeah, cool design. Again, on the side, we have all the holes, and underneath these holes are of course speakers and also a fan for the ventilation. Same as on the other side, holes for the airflow and sound. Yeah, the bottom is just blank. Really nice case, by the way, matte black. And on the bottom we have all the specs and the infos. We have 2 rubber feet and 1 long one. This one as well with the brand, really nice. We also have a thread in here, and then this genius part. This will pop out, and we have many possibilities to set it up. So you can fine adjust the height. Really cool. And lastly, we of course have the back, designed by Zeemr with the infrared receiver, mega bass membrane right here, the on and off button, headphone jack, HDMI port, USB port, LAN port, and DC input. Not bad, right? So let's test it. So first of all, it will need 2 AA batteries, just like that. Right on, and let's plug in the beamer. So the remote is ready, the beamer is ready, it's plugged in, so let's power it on. There we go, that's the sound of the fan. It's fairly quiet actually. And now it's time to turn off the light. Oh wow. It's talking to us.
Autofocus key for autofocus or press the focus key.
Check this.
Please press the autofocus key for autofocus or press the focus key. For manual focus, please press the
Oh, you can also mute it. That's great. So let's move it backwards, because it's probably too close to get it to focus. So here we go from the start.
Welcome to your Zeemr projector.
Okay.
Please press the autofocus key for autofocus
Nice.
or press the focus key.
Okay, next step. Okay, let's get the Wi-Fi. Actually, let me turn off everything. All right, Wi-Fi. All right, so this is their custom OS. Wow, the icons are looking very nice. Extremely high detailed graphics. So we have project, video, music, Bluetooth music, I suppose. Yes, HDMI and settings. So let's start here. Let's check all the settings. We have the Wi-Fi, we have Bluetooth, we have the projector settings, signal source, audio settings and system settings. We have the display mode, upside down mode, mirroring. Okay, we can also zoom out, but this will of course reduce the quality. Autofocus. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see. It can also do the keystone correction. Screen ratio. Oh yeah, there we have it. Manual keystone correction, of course. Oh, they actually did something. That's amazing. It actually corrected. Nice. And it's very responsive and very fast. So great OS. Let's see, signal source, of course, HDMI and local. And the default startup can be chosen local or HDMI. Good stuff. Ah, okay, so you have the volume button on the left side, and on the right side is actually the manual focus. So I messed up the focus. So let's redo the autofocus. The image is actually looking really nice. So if you want to access a video or music, then it will say, please insert a USB flash disk and project. Ah, this is screen sharing, of course. So let's start with this. Okay, for Android and for iOS. When you press the middle button, you can access the settings. And this way we can watch videos from the phone on the Beamer and also get the audio, of course. And this way we can watch videos from the phone on the Beamer and also get the audio, of course. All right, not bad. So let's insert a USB drive. Let's see. Right on. Yo, the picture looks so good. Nice. And also let's move the Beamer backwards even more to get an even bigger picture. Look at that, that is awesome. And we can also use this built-in foot to do this basically. Oh, it will automatically enter the automatic correction mode. I think it just also did the keystone correction. Yes, oh my goodness, wow. To get it parallel to the wall is of course ideal. This way you won't lose any screen space and won't lose any pixels. But yeah, picture is just looking so nice. And it's already quite huge. This is like 2 meters in diameter. So lastly, it's time to test the HDMI input. So there we go, 60 Hertz. That is awesome. Got my mouse. Let's see if it will also do the keystone correction. Yes, let's bring it back down. So you will get the auto correction in all the modes, even in the HDMI mode. Great looking picture. And lastly, let's listen to a song. Yo, not bad. On the side. And on the back. Nice bass. And both. I think the auto exposure of my camera didn't work that well, but in real life, the picture looks amazing. So yeah, good stuff. Great operating system. Everything worked straight out of the box. It's responsive. It's looking great. Oh yeah, again, so that's better. So yeah, great looking and snappy OS straight out of the box. It's fast. It looks beautiful. All features are intuitive and easy to use. And the automatic adjustments are just amazing. I love it. So convenient. And yeah, all in all, big thumbs up from my side. I like it. So as you saw, this is just awesome. It has a smooth operating system. It can handle 4K decoding easily. It delivers bright and sharp 1080p images. It has true 1080p resolution. Vivid colors. It's just amazing for the price point. By the way, 30,000 plus hours of lifetime. Massive lifespan. This thing will last a long time, and it also looks amazing. Neat design. It's small, it's light. You can fit this anywhere, mount it easily. Just great and definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.